We're here at IBC 2022 and we're on the Blackmagic stand at the back of Hall 7, and I'm here with Darren, who's going to be telling us a little bit more about the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO.
Absolutely, yes, Matt, thanks for having me. So last few weeks we've announced the new ATEM SDI range, so there'll be a lot of customers who are familiar with the ATEM Mini, so our HDMI-based switches.
Absolutely.
The ATEM SDI is kind of the next level of that, the evolution. So the ATEM Minis are still available and they're perfect for customers who are going to be working with camcorders or HDMI-based video sources. The ATEM SDI adds, as the name suggests, that SDI connection on the back. So perfect for longer cable runs, if you need lockable connectivity, so if you're working in a more kind of chaotic environment, you need robust connections. The lockable connections in this are perfect for that kind of workflow, so broadcast standard SDI. And is it a bigger feature set, or because it's a bigger panel than a lot of... Yeah, so we've expanded the feature set. We've got 3 models in the range, so with this, the kind of the top end one, the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO, we do have the ATEM SDI, so it's a smaller form factor 4-input switcher, and then we've got the ATEM SDI ISO, which is a 4-input but with ISO capabilities. So the ISO models are amazing for when you're working with maybe Blackmagic Design cameras, because you can record an ISO feed in H.264 of every single video feed, and you can record Blackmagic RAW on your Blackmagic Studio cameras, for example. Then you can go to something like DaVinci Resolve, you can open that project file, do everything with the H.264 kind of proxy on that timeline, and then at the very final stage, replace your H.264 files with the Blackmagic RAW camera originals. So speed, efficiency of the workflow, and then the final stage. And so where do you see this going into? I mean, we've got an example here of a live music environment. I mean, it's primed for that, So again, those ATEM Mini customers who are using HDMI workflows are working in maybe smaller studios, smaller environments where cable run isn't necessarily a huge issue for them. As soon as you get into a venue like this, whether it be live music or kind of conferencing, live events, maybe even smaller sports kind of venues, maybe like basketball courts or things like that, then this is perfect because you've got a bit more distance on the cables. Your operator can be further from the action and doesn't have to be right on top of the stage, for example, and can comfortably control everything from here. So you've got loads of control at your fingertips. You've got control switching between cameras. You've got some audio control in there, some audio mixing. You've also got camera control directly from the panel as well for basic camera control settings. Plus all of your access to your keys, macros and transitions directly from the interface. So it's really, really powerful. And is it shipping yet, or have you got a shipping date? This is already shipping, so it's available on the market now. You can place pre-orders with resellers. You'll get hold of that really, really soon. It's available. The 3 models: the ATEM SDI, the ATEM SDI ISO, and the ATEM SDI Extreme ISO. And might this, if no one can make IBC, might this be showing at the Kipler show? Absolutely, so we're doing some really good talks when we come to the Kipler show in Twickenham and Bristol. We're doing some stuff around pocket cameras, we're doing some stuff around ATEM Mini specifically, and we'll show the ATEM SDIs at the show as well. And we've got some really interesting Resolve collaboration content to talk about as well. So really looking forward to getting down to Twickenham and Bristol, getting in front of all of your customers and getting out there and back in the world again. Thank you very much, Darren. For more on that, go to kiplershow.co.uk. For more of what we've been doing at IBC, you can go to kiplus.com and, of course, subscribe to the channel.